Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we are going to be showcasing our DC-802-Static-Key-W and a DC-152-Static-Key-W master secondary truck loading and unloading bay display. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to regulate which bay the trucks are meant to go to for a limited time before the display turns blank. And how it works is the client sets the desired amount of time before the display turns blank using our keypad remote that is wireless, and then the client uses said keypad again to enter the static number to the display, and then the display will showcase the number, and then after a while the display will turn blank, and then the client will type in the next number for the next truck. So now I'm going to showcase the functions of this unit and how it is all meant to work and its purpose. So as you can see, we have our DC-152, which is the master unit, and we have our DC-80, which is our secondary. So whatever is displaying on the master will display on the secondary. And we have the option of having multiple secondaries through our store and forward method. And we can literally showcase 100 secondaries that are all displaying what the master unit is displaying. We have our keypad controller here. This allows us to enter any number between 0 and 99 because each of these are 2 digits. So we have a blank button right here that allows us to simply turn off the display. So in other words, we have a blank display that is currently not on right now, but if we turn it back on by pressing blank again, simply turns it back on. We have our set blank intervals, and we have our set display, and we have our enter button, which allows us to enter the static number. So first things first, we're going to set the desired interval to count down from. So now I'm going to showcase the set blank interval. So as you can see, as I press down on the set blank interval button, the digits begin to flash, and that indicates that it is ready to input a time to count down from. We're going to set the blank interval for, let's just say, 15 seconds. So just type in 1 and 5, press enter, and now we have set the blank interval. So now we're just going to simply wait 15 seconds, and then we're going to showcase what happens afterwards. So as you can see, after 15 seconds have passed by, both displays are now blank. And this indicates to the user that they are now ready to input another number. So now we're going to click on the set display button to input another number. So for this demonstration, let's just say that the user is meant to go to bay number 0, and the truck driver sees, okay, they're meant to go to bay number 0. That's the location that that truck driver is meant to go to. And then the next truck driver goes, and now let's say we want to have the truck driver go to bay number 45, let's just say. So we type in 45, we hit enter, and as you can see now, it is now displaying bay number 45, just as an example. So we're going to wait another 15 seconds before the display turns blank again. And as you can see, as 15 seconds have passed by, what was before showcasing 45 is now completely blank, and the client does the same thing over and over. They press the set display button, they enter a number, and it allows the user to display a number for a specific amount of time that they set it to. So quickly going over the hardware aspect for this entire unit, as you can see, its enclosures are a tough extruded aluminum IP66 outdoor wet location waterproof rated enclosure that is fingerprint resistant. The display size for the DC-80 is 8 inches that can be viewed up to 400 feet, and the DC-152 is 15 inches that is viewable up to 750. The number of digits that each enclosure has is 2 digits that can display up to any number between 0 and 99. For mounting, we have our attached adjustable 1-inch stainless bolt on the back of the enclosure, and it is on an extruded channel on the back, on the top of the enclosure. We have 2 of our DC-GEN24W programmable that allows us to program any function at the customer's specification. and it is operated at 5 volts, and it is a wireless keypad controller that is operated at 1,500 feet outdoors and 300 feet indoors. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-802-Static-Key-W and our DC-152-Static-Key-W master secondary truck loading and unloading bay display. Thanks for watching.